Welcome to the world of kiwi fruit, a small fruit with a big global journey. Every year, millions of kiwis travel from carefully managed farms to modern processing factories before landing on grocery store shelves across the United States. But have you ever wondered how kiwi fruits are grown, harvested, cleaned, sorted, and packaged on such a massive scale? Today, we'll take you inside a modern kiwi fruit production system, revealing every step from orchard to factory, and finally, to your table. Kiwi fruit doesn't grow on trees. Instead, it grows on long vine-like plants, supported by trellis systems designed to maximize sunlight and airflow. In the United States, kiwi farms are commonly found in California, where the climate offers mild winters, warm summers, and fertile soil, perfect for kiwi cultivation. Farmers carefully select kiwi varieties based on fruit size, flavor balance, shelf life, and consumer preference in the USA market. Before planting, soil is tested for nutrients, drainage, and pH balance. Once approved, young kiwi vines are planted in rows and trained to grow along horizontal wires. This structured layout allows easier harvesting, better pollination, and uniform fruit growth. Kiwi plants are unique because male and female flowers grow on separate vines. This means pollination is critical. Bees play a major role here. During spring, farmers introduce beehives into orchards, ensuring efficient pollination across thousands of vines. Once pollinated, tiny kiwi fruits begin forming. Over several months, they grow larger, developing their signature fuzzy skin, bright green flesh, and tiny black seeds. Throughout the growing season, farmers monitor water usage through drip irrigation, pest control using eco-friendly methods, vine health, and fruit spacing. Modern farms often use digital sensors and satellite data to optimize growth and reduce waste.
Kiwi fruits are harvested only when they reach specific sugar and firmness levels. Harvesting too early affects flavor. Too late reduces shelf life. Before harvest begins, samples are tested for sugar content, moisture levels, internal firmness. Once approved, orchards transform into busy harvesting zones. Unlike many fruits, kiwis are hand-picked to prevent damage. Workers wear gloves and gently twist each fruit from the vine. Kiwis are placed into padded bins to protect their delicate skin. Even on large farms, human inspection is essential. Workers immediately separate overripe fruit, damaged fruit, misshapen fruit. These are redirected for juice production, purees, or animal feed. Within hours, harvested kiwis are loaded onto trucks and transported to processing facilities. Speed matters. Fresher fruit means longer shelf life. As trucks arrive, bins are unloaded at high-tech receiving docks. Each shipment is logged and tracked digitally. This ensures traceability, food safety, and quality consistency. The kiwis then move on to automated conveyor systems, the beginning of their factory transformation. Before anything else, kiwis must be thoroughly cleaned. Inside stainless steel washing tunnels, high-pressure water removes dirt, soft rotating brushes clean the fuzzy skin, food-safe sanitizers eliminate bacteria. Water is filtered and recycled, reducing environmental impact. After washing, kiwis emerge clean, glossy, and ready for inspection. This is where technology truly shines. Optical sorting machines use high-speed cameras, laser scanners, and AI software. Each kiwi is analyzed in milliseconds for size, shape, color, surface defects. The machines then sort the fruit into multiple grades. Premium-grade kiwis head to fresh produce packaging. Lower grades are redirected for processing into smoothies, frozen fruit, or kiwi-based products. Human quality inspectors monitor the entire process to ensure accuracy. Once sorted, kiwis enter the packaging line. Automated machines gently place them into plastic trays, cardboard boxes, or eco-friendly packaging. Each package is labeled with nutrition facts, country of origin, barcodes, and FDA-compliant information. Robotic arms stack boxes onto pallets with incredible precision. These pallets are then wrapped and sent to cold storage. Kiwis are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses, slowing ripening while preserving freshness. From here, refrigerated trucks distribute kiwi shipments across supermarkets, wholesale markets, and distribution centers. Some kiwis travel thousands of miles before reaching store shelves, still fresh. Next time you slice open a kiwi, remember the journey behind it. From careful farming and hand harvesting to advanced factory processing and distribution, every kiwi represents precision, technology, and teamwork. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the fascinating world of modern food production.